Okay, so check this thing out right over here. We're going to be doing a unboxing and review on the NEXLY Solar Bug Zapper, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, I'm going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so here's everything that comes with inside. It comes with the instruction manual guide, and then right over here we get a brush. So what you have to do with this brush is whenever you get mosquitoes and fruit flies stuck, you use this to clean up the grid that's located on the outside of the wall, and also you can use it for the inside as well too, for the panel. And then we put this onto the side. Right over here we get a Type-C USB. As you guys know, this solar bug zapper charges two ways. You could either use the solar panel that comes on top, or you could use the Type-C where it comes with right over here. They just charge it up. Most preferred method is definitely going to be the Type-C, because it will charge much faster as compared to the thing on top, the solar panel. So I would definitely use the Type-C if it comes to the charging. So that's something that is important to use. And right over here we get the solar bug zapper itself, which is right over here, that you can see how beautiful the quality is on this. You can see very high quality. I just love how it comes with the lantern on top, and it looks like a night light as well too. And I do want to show you guys that right over here is where you open it up, where it, charge it up the Type-C. That's where it comes to charging. It tells the indicators how much the battery life is as well. But let's go more in depth and show you guys more features about this. Okay, so this right over here is my most favorite beautiful view of all. So the flickering flame effect really looks nice, especially if you're trying to sleep at night. You could, like I told you guys before, you could use this as a night light. You could also use this outside if you're doing like grilling or something like that. But keep in mind, the solar bug zapper itself is not going to be activated until you don't hit the blue lights. So once I hit this, it'll just be on. It even gives you a red indicator to let you know that's on. And to change the colors on top, you just do it like that. You can see as I'm changing it, it could also go to different RGB colors as well too, to give that dynamic, beautiful atmosphere. And you could change it up like that and keep it in white, or you could just keep it in this brightness as well. Then you could change it like this, and it'll slowly change to different RGB colors as well. It's really a cool way for mosquitoes and fruit flies to also get captured as well too. I just love the way they built this product. Is really nice, because it will definitely get the fruit flies and the mosquitoes inside to the grill on the bottom. And then when it comes time to change everything out, so for example, if I were to turn this off, underneath there's a tray where you get the mosquitoes out and the fruit flies, and that's how you dispose them. Overall, if you are looking for a way to keep the fruit flies and the mosquitoes out, then this product from NEXLY is by far one of the best products to get, because of the fact that it could be a 3-in-1 to change different dynamics and colors. So you could use this also as a night light as well. You could put it for a beautiful atmospheric view. As you guys know, it could change to different types of colors. This is by far one of my most favorite. The flickering effect of the like a torch fire effect, I love that feature. And then on the bottom, best of all, is that when you capture all of the mosquitoes and the repellents and everything, you just press the tray like that, hold it just like that, and get the mosquitoes and all the fruit flies out like that. And then it comes with a brush as well, so you don't have to use your hands at all. So use the brush itself and take all the mosquitoes and the fruit flies out, and you're just done just like that. I would definitely recommend this product if you are looking to if you are doing outdoor grilling, or you're having a party and you're wanting to keep out the mosquitoes and the fruit flies from you, then this right over here from NEXLY, this solar bug zapper, is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.